like I said, today's Thoughtful Thursday. Cousin Jay, how you doing? We're going to be talking about, this is a continuation of Monday's live where we talked about value ladders. And now I want to transition you from value ladders to sales funnels. And I'm going to show you that the why, the how, and the benefit behind having sales funnels. And this works for a lot of different kinds of businesses, but mostly it works when you have a product or a service. Now, when you're promoting opportunities and things of that nature, this might not work for you, but there may be some ways to do that. Appreciate you being on, man. But, we're going to talk about the different, well, we know what a value ladder is. What you have, your bait, that's your entry level offer that you're going to be using to get people to come into your world. It can be something free. It can be some type of report. It can be a lot of different things to get people introduced to you. And if you do this right, as you continue to interact with them and offer them, and you have to have several offers for this to work. But it doesn't necessarily have to be, like I say, if it's a product, or especially if it's service oriented, like I gave you the examples for a dentist and a chiropractor, but it could also work for restaurants. It can definitely work if you're an affiliate marketer and you market a lot of different products, but those products have to be complementary to one another. Say like if you were in the health and wellness niche and you were selling some type of weight loss program, and then maybe you had some other supplements that help with weight loss, or maybe you had something that helped with pain for working out, or different things like that. So you can bundle those things together, and what you can do is you can increase your bottom line and you can earn more money that way. Instead of trying to sell just one thing, you can bundle things together and increase your income. So let's just jump right into it. The sales funnel is exactly like the value ladder, because that's what you have to do. You have to create a value ladder first. That's why I went over that. So that if you haven't, you need to start thinking about what products and services you can bundle together and have them a higher and higher value, like we talked about the dentist and the chiropractor, where they had different services that cost a little bit more. And as people go through that, some people are going to buy, some people are going to not. But when you get to that highest priced, high-end item, high-end ticket item, whether it's a product or a service, now you've got what we like to call your ideal customer or client. So I'm going to go over it again. So you have to imagine you've got a funnel, and you're pouring traffic down into it, and those are the people. So the first thing they're going to see is they're going to see your bait. Then you've got your front-end product, then you've got your middle product, and then you've got your back-end product. So you can have as little as 3, or you can add as many as you like in the middle. It doesn't matter. That's up to you what you want to promote or what services you provide. So, the value ladder is created to help you figure out what products and services to add so that your dream clients and customers move from your bait to your high-end services and products. That's what that sales funnel is supposed to do. So, because here's the thing, it's almost impossible to build any business offering just one high-end thing, one high-end service, one high-end product, unless you're in a specialized niche, like maybe pest control or, roofing or something like that. And even in roofing, you can add different things because they have different services that they provide in addition to putting roofs on. They might do gutters and so on. So that's why I say you got to have a full range of offers in order to make this thing really maximize your earning potential. So you build a funnel that will help you do 2 things. One, it's going to provide value to each customer at the level that they can afford. Number 2, you earn money. Earn money to be profitable while identifying your dream clients and customers who can afford your highest offer. That's how these things are going to work. So we're going to delve into it a little bit. So first of all, why do you need a sales funnel? Because the deeper your funnel is, the more things you can offer, and the more each customer will be worth. The more that, and as you're earning that money, the more that you can spend on acquiring those customers, is going to, it's a snowball effect. You earn more money, you can put more money back into your advertising and into your marketing. And then, because here's the thing, here's a quote from Dan Kennedy. Dan Kennedy says, the business that can spend the most to acquire a customer always wins. So I want you to keep that in mind. So if I'm making sense, put a 1 in the comments, or if you're not understanding it, say I don't understand. But that's why I went into the value ladder before we go into creating a sales funnel. Now, sales funnels, and it doesn't have to be online, but we're primarily talking about online methods. But these methods can work offline, because I gave you those examples Monday about the dentist and the chiropractor. So if you're just catching this, or you're catching this on the replay, please go back to Mo Money Monday and check out the value ladder. So, and as always, guys, this information that I'm sharing with you, I got it from this book, DotCom Secrets. And so the first link up there, if you want to pick up this book, because there are so many other things. I'm not going to go through the entire book and give it all to you, because you can get this book and you can get it free. All you have to do is pay shipping. I think shipping is $8.99 or something like that, $7.99. So I got the link up there in the title. That's getpaidwithjl.com/free. What is that? What I put? Free DCS book. So you click on that link, you can get that book and you can order it. All you have to do is pay shipping. The second one that I recommend is Expert Secrets. That link, that's the second link for JL. Getpaidwithjl.com. Expert Secrets free. And then, because this stuff doesn't work very well for network marketers unless your network marketing company promotes products. Because I'm involved with a company that does that. I promote CBD oil, and they have a multitude of products that we promote. But it is also a network marketing company, so I can use the same concept. But getting back to the online method, that sales funnel has to have a capture page. And you really need to be able to use a custom capture page. If you don't have the ability to create custom capture pages, then maybe this is not for you. You may not be at the level where you can afford that software. But I'm here to tell you that there are 3 tools that every successful marketer has, and everyone that wants to create success in their business online has to have. And that's 1, a capture page software. You need an email autoresponder, and you need tracking software, because we're talking about paid traffic here. This is not about free traffic. You can feed this with free traffic, but free traffic is not targeted. And targeting your customers, that's a topic for another live. But you have to be able to have those tools. So if you've got your custom capture page offering whatever bait you are using or wanting to use, I gave an example, especially with my CBD oil business. I was giving away a free bottle. So I had people register to get the free bottle, and they had to do 2 things. I had put a post out on Facebook, and that I was giving away a free bottle. I put my link in there to that capture page. They had to click on the link, put their name and email address in order to register for the giveaway contest. And then they also had to comment on the post, because I was using another piece of software that is a comment picker. It just randomly picks a comment, and whatever comment it picked, that makes it 100% fair. There was no favoritism. That person got that free bottle of CBD oil. But now I got their name and their email address. So now I can put them in my autoresponder, and it starts shooting out messages, and I'll send them valuable things about CBD oil, about the other products, and all the benefits of what they just got. So, again, this is always about giving value and always doing something that's going to improve your customers' lives. So if you're not promoting something that does that, if you're simply in this business to make money, unfortunately, you'll make money. I'm not going to say you're not going to make money, because there are people out there that do. But you won't be able to build a sustainable business, because people can smell that. It's like blood in the water. So let's review. So a sales funnel is just the online process you take someone through to get them to ascend through the different levels of your value ladder. And it's actually the web pages that you're going to be making that I'm referring to when you're talking about that custom capture page program. So you want to get them to that bait. You want to get them to your front end product. You want to get, then hopefully some will go on to the middle product and the back end product. Now, like I said, this is where that custom capture page program comes in, because you can create a whole sales funnel, and you can create that front end offer. And you've seen it before when you purchase things and immediately they send you to another page and it's an upsell. And 9 times out of 10, although I'll say 10 times out of 10, that next product complements the first product. And sometimes if you don't go for that, they'll give you a down sell. But if you go for the next upsell, they'll send you another upsell until you finally get to the checkout. And so you can spend, say you spending $1 to get that customer, but you're only actually making 2 with just one product. But if you put this thing in here correctly and put the right products in correctly, then you can take them. You can get that front end sale, that middle sale, and that back end sale. And instead of making just $2, because that was your profit on one product, you might make $50 or $100. And now you've got a customer that's really interested in the things that you have to offer. So you can just keep sending them stuff. But you also have to continue to give them value. You can't just say, hey, buy my stuff, because after a while they'll get turned off to that. You know, people always want to know what's in it for me. So you have to keep those kinds of things in mind. Like I say, it's a value ladder to sales funnel. But the value ladder is the whole basis for creating that sales funnel. So again, like I said, if you didn't catch the training on the value ladder, go back and check that out. And if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, I post all of these trainings on my YouTube channel. Please go and subscribe. It's just JL Bumbrey. You can just type JL Bumbrey. My channel will come up, and where I put them in a specific playlist. It's called Anti-Guru Training. So you'll find all of that in Anti-Guru Training. And again, for my my network marketing people, if you let me get the book. You see, I got books over here. Here's another book, because I like to give stuff away. This book right here, Network Marketing Secrets by Russell Brunson. I have taken this book and put it in PDF form. You can get the entire book for free. That's that last link at the bottom. Get paid with JL.com, NM-Secrets. So I've been on here for almost 13 minutes, guys. That's pretty much all that I have for you today. Don't know what Monday's topic is going to be. I may continue to do a few more trainings out of this book, but I wanted to give you something that's actionable. You know, now I'm not into this cookie kind of stuff. I will show you the diagrams. I'll show you the concepts, because if you don't get the mentality and the psychology behind some of this stuff, and all you focus on is, I got to get a sale, you'll have limited success, and you won't be able to build truly a sustainable business. And also, if you are a small business owner and you are looking to get like a free consultation to talk about your online strategies, you can also, I didn't put that in the, can't talk. Didn't put that up in the description, but I'm going to type it in the comments. You can just go to consultwithjl.com /homepage. Let me type that in. Consult with JL.com /homepage. And look for the tab that says services. You can book a 1-hour consultation. I'll do that free of charge. Or you can either direct message me, and we'll set up a schedule where we can talk about whatever you're struggling with. I'm available. My main desire is to help and serve, because I believe my success is tied directly to the people that I help and serve. I want to make money just like everybody else, but I also believe in giving, and because I have mentors who have taught me some of these things. Some of these mentors, I get the information through their books. And again, let me touch on that. If you don't have a mentor, you need to have one, because that's the quickest way to success. Finding someone who is already doing what you're doing and is a success at it, and you simply model what they do. I'm not saying copy, but model. All right, that's all that I got for you today. It's going to be a scorching 107 degrees this weekend here in North Carolina. So it's so hot, the devil decided he would go back to hell. So he's not even coming out in North Carolina. But I pray that you enjoy your weekend. Do something good for yourself, and we'll see you next week. Later.